No Nintendo cookie set is complete without a superstar power-up. Let's decorate. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So today I'm decorating these Superstar Nintendo cookies, and all the supplies you need are listed in the description, so decorate along with me. To start out, I'm using a 15-second royal icing in yellow, and I'm just going to outline each one of the little points here on the star, and then go ahead and flood that in with the exact same icing. And then grab your scribe, or you can use a toothpick, and just use the circular motion to get all the icing out to the edge. Give it a little shake, and then set this cookie aside to dry completely. And while we wait for it to dry, I printed out some eyes and put them inside of a sheet protector. And I picked the size that best fit my cookie. And I'm just going to outline and flood that in with a black royal icing in about a 20-second consistency. I'll use my scribe to smooth the icing out. And then I'll put my white icing, which is about a 15-second consistency, right into that icing and just pipe a little oval here. And once again, you can use your scribe kind of in an up and down motion to settle that icing down. And then let those dry completely. It took about 24 hours for mine to dry. Then I'll just pop them off of my sheet protector here and put them on the cookie. I'll lay them on the cookie first to get an idea of where I want it to go, and then I'll just attach it with a little bit of royal icing. Just put a dab of royal icing where you want the eyes to go, and then just lay the eye down in the royal icing and press down gently. And that's it, star power unlocked. This level is complete, and we'll move on to the next Nintendo cookie. What do you think we should decorate next? Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a superstar day, and I'll see you in the next level. Bye for now.